I haven't picked up the camera and vlogged in a while. And today's my birthday. Can't you believe that? Yeah, I'm finally 16. I've been 16 the whole time, YouTube. You don't need to ban me. And if you're new here, make sure you chuck a sub for my birthday present. If you guys wanna, you know, support your boy. Getting to 1,000 subscribers is really hard for a small channel. So my goal, 1,000 subscribers. It'll be an honor to hit 1,000 subscribers. And if you're already subscribed and you've been watching me for a while, you know, do your thing. Chuck a like for the algorithm. Doesn't matter, just watch the video till the end. Since it's still PPKM here in Bali, PPKM is like this kind of like semi-lockdown kind of thing. Can't really do much. Can't have a party, none of that. So probably just gonna eat dinner with my fam. So let's go there right now. So I just got some sushi here at Airside. It's an incredible view. Everyone's just gone to wash their hands, but yeah, it's incredible. Happy birthday to me. I know my mom has a surprise for me, so I'm gonna try to record it. Look at the burger that my brother got. Put your hand next to us and see how big it is. It's a massive burger. I'm gonna share, right? We're gonna share, right?
Totally.
Yep.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Hooray! Hooray! Hooray!
Happy birthday, Oscar!
Thank you.
It's the cake.
Thank
Birthday.
you. Corona style.
Happy birthday.
Why doesn't want to die? So, my birthday present has arrived after 3 long, nerve-wracking days. Finally, and I'm really sleepy. It's like 10:30, and Zach's behind the camera. Yeah, we're both sleepy. Thanks, Zach, for driving me home. But sorry, not the best at unboxing, as you can tell. The strap, okay. That's the lens. Man, what is this shitty unboxing? They give you like nothing.
Just like tear everything apart.
Yeah, they just like, oh, that's. Yeah, I know a YouTuber that said that the unboxing is not a good experience. So.
Oh, it's just there? That's it?
That's it.
Well, there it is.
Why is it so awkward in the hand?
Is it? Dude, I think it feels good in the hand. It feels better than that, actually.
No, this
like,
feels better. I don't know.
Well, that one doesn't have this angle right
That's
here.
because your finger's bigger, maybe.
It feels different because does it take a different battery?
No, it's the same.
Oh.
It's like Christmas again. Because I use it, birthdays aren't really like crazy, but Christmas?
Do you celebrate Christmas?
Yeah, I do. Huh, it's smaller than the USM lens. Yes! I don't need to buy
It's
a new
the same.
ND. I don't need to buy a new ND. Let's go.
Careful with the sensor.
So there's no sensor yet. It's closed.
Wait.
Thank you.
Oh, it does close.
It's closed because only
Oh, that's
Canons
cool.
do that though. That's so nice.
That's cool.
Let's line up red to red. That's it.
The first.
Okay, let's. The battery is the same. LP6 battery. Oh wait, it's spring loaded. That one's not.
Oh, sick.
Boom!
Error. Just turns on. It's like,
Error. Sorry.
Error.
Please
Sorry.
return to store. Okay, this one's not charged. I have another.
oh yeah,
one.
there's no click there for the.
Like try to click it.
Oh, interesting. Yeah.
That's gonna get a little bit used to. Okay. I shall pull my fake Canon battery because I got scammed, guys. Make sure you check your batteries. Don't get scammed. But at least this one's charged. It's on. It's on. Okay, let's skip this. Why is it lagging? Well, I need to change the settings and everything. Let's see the electronic viewfinder. That's nice. Wow. Thanks, Dad. Cry.
Get on your knees. Say, thank you so much. Dear Father.
Dear Father, thank you so much for this. It actually feels smaller on hand. Like this is way lighter to vlog on. Try to hold it like you're vlogging.
Like I'm vlogging. being very careful. Whoa! You can totally vlog just with holding this.
I've been doing that for years.
Dude, it's totally wide enough.
You guys might be wondering why Zach and I were really late to get back to my package. Well, we just finished shooting giving away 100 nasi gorengs to people in need. And we just cook 100 nasi goreng. Well, not we, but Ade, which is Zach's wife. So make sure you go check out their channel and watch the video. Here, I'll give you a quick preview.
Today we're donating 100 packages of nasi goreng. We've got 50 packages in this box. This is so much nasi goreng. Addie's over there cooking the next box. But me and Oscar are gonna go and donate these packages that are already prepared. Come back here, pick up the next load, and hit up the streets again.
So the intro that you just saw isn't the official intro for the giving away 100 nasi gorengs. But if you guys do want to watch that video, link will be in the descriptions for Zach's channel. I think that will be released very soon. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you're new. Drop a like if you enjoyed today's video. Thanks so much for watching, guys. And it'll be most appreciated if you guys want to check us up. 1,000 subscribers is my goal. You good?